Here's another SUV to check out at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1987 Dodge Ram Charger 150 4x4, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, Nevada vehicle for the majority of its life. Actual miles are just a little over 50,000 on this one. As you can see, kind of a light blue, medium blue, two-tone combination. Let's take a look at this front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. See, it looks like there's been just a little bit of touch up on the paint there. .318 underneath the hood, 5.2 liter. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look around these wheel wells. As you can see, not full of corrosion. Nothing popping through. Toyo open country radials. We do have a light scratch down the side right here. Lower rockers. Let's take a look at the undersides of these doors too. Let me show you something. Look at this. Undersides of those doors, how clean, solid they are, not full of mud. How nicely that door closes. You can show, or see, paint shows its age a tad in a few spots. It's not perfect, but does this truck still look nice and is it solid? Absolutely. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And don't forget, take your time looking through our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Probably close to 100 pictures of this vehicle online. You'll be able to see the underside, the engine bay, interior. So we take a look at the chrome, the rear bumper. And of course, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it personally to see this one yourself due to distance or time. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken and the videos that are done, but we don't have a problem with you having a third party take a peek at it, report back to you. And again, clean Carfax, Nevada vehicle, the majority of its life. Original miles, just a tad over 50,000. As we take a look at the driver's side, rockers, around the wheel wells. Again, you don't see a bunch of corrosion, bubbling, rust, anything like that. Let's take a look at the underside of this door a second quick. Look how clean that is. And solid. Let me reach in and start this so we don't have to put up with that warning chime. All right. Aftermarket stereo. Working well. A retro sound style one. There's your exact miles, 50,073. It was a cold start. Won't expect that gauge to be up. Battery, fuel, and oil pressure. I have had wipers working. I want to point out there's like an aftermarket speaker set up in the rear, right there in front of the rear wheel wells. Seating surface, blue vinyl, good condition. Same with the top of the dash. You can tell this car was stored inside, no doubt about it. Take a look at the vinyl. Driver's side, looking good. Headliner, also looking good. You'll be able to see pictures of the rear seating area, rear cargo area, and with the still pictures, it'll be a lot easier to see it in the still pictures. Sounds good. Kind of what you'd expect, I guess. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes or any sort of crazy cam in that 318. I'm going to pause this a second, slip up underneath the hood here, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video. And here's the hood open. So first of all, let's take a look at the underside. Check out that hood liner, nice and clean. And here it is, 318 or 5.2 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks pretty stock. Sounds as you would expect. Nice looking, clean, tidy engine bay. AC compressor kicking on and off, as you can hear there. Take a look at all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. It's a 1987 Dodge Ram Charger 150 4x4 SUV. Clean Carfax. Nevada vehicle for most of its life. No accidents indicated. 507-386-1726. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1987 Dodge Ram Charger. One of the early SUVs. This is an automatic on the column. Feels like a low mile machine. The odometer reads 50,074 miles. That is only a 5-digit odometer. But it is a very nice condition vehicle. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. The AC is blowing cold currently. Our steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the side. There is a little bit of play in it, but it does not make it difficult to drive. Battery is charging over halfway on the gauge, and the temperature is a little less than a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge working, showing above half, and the oil pressure showing above half as well. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays nice and straight and lane. Our windshield wipers aren't working. This is a four-wheel drive. Nice bucket seats in this vehicle. Very comfortable. Corners well, it doesn't lean very much in the corners at all. First of all, you don't see very many of these, and to see one in this condition, it's very nice to see. Check out all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.